So, in this video, ituturo natin yung alternate solution. Kasi hindi makapasok yung mga nasa Pinas, no, na gustong mag-register sa Polcash. So, nag-test ako ng mga possible solutions. Hindi talaga makapasok. So, si Dev din, guys, minessage na niya yung hosting provider. And, napapuzzle talaga sila kung ano yung mali, 'di ba? Bakit hindi makapasok yung Pinas? So, same hosting provider, okay? Everything works well sa BNB Cash. Hindi natin alam bakit hindi makapasok sa Polcash. So, nag-try ako ng mga alternative way para makapasok, and luckily, kagabi nakapasok, guys, yung isang registration ko. So, yun yung gagawin ko ngayon kasi nakalimutan ko siyang i-record. Ang kailangan natin is we need to download VPN. Okay? Hindi basta VPN lang, guys, no? Kasi yung iba hindi nag-work talaga. Gaya nga ng sabi ko, ang dami ng testing na ginawa ko. So, yung nag-work lang, yung i-share ko sa inyo ngayon. So, ang ida-download natin na VPN is Warp VPN. So, punta tayo sa App Store. So, dito sa akin is App Store. So, search mo lang Warp VPN. Ayan. So, ito siya, guys. Okay? Faster internet. So, download lang siya. Alright, and then, habang nagda-download to, guys, we also need SafePal, okay? It's like MetaMask. It's like a Trust Wallet, okay? So, SafePal wallet naman siya. It's like token packet too. So, ito siya. Click nyo lang yung download din. So, meron na tayong SafePal and VPN. So, dalawang yan ang kailangan natin, guys. So, VPN na to is free. Walang bayad. Kaya, okay din siya, 'di ba? So, ang gagawin niyo lang, guys, after you download, syempre i-import natin yung ating wallet sa SafePal. So, kung ano yung gamit nating wallet, don't worry, you can still use that, okay, sa SafePal. I-import lang natin siya. Okay? So, ganito, guys, mag-import. Punta ka lang sa MetaMask wallet mo. Okay. So, ang gagawin mo lang, guys, is i-click mo lang itong 3 dots na yan. And then, ito, show private key. So, i-click mo lang din yung show private key. And then, i-enter mo yung password mo. Okay, tapos hold mo lang daw ng matagal ito. And then, i-reveal na niya. So, once na nandyan na yan, guys, i-click mo lang yung copy to clipboard. Okay, be careful of this one, guys, ha. Huwag nyo i-expose yan. Kasi, pag in-expose nyo yan, possible na ma-hack yung inyong accounts. So, dapat kayo lang yung nakakakita at kayo lang yung nakakaalam. So, nakopy ko na. And then, pupunta ka na ngayon sa SafePal. So, tapusin niyo muna yung pag-import ng account. Okay, I'm opening the SafePal. Ayan. So, click mo lang itong I have read and accept the terms of use. Click get started. Okay, so gawa ka lang ng password, guys. Ayan. So, ito, if you want to enable Face ID, click mo lang yan. Alright, so, start SafePal journey. Click mo lang yan. And then, eto, guys, yung pipiliin mo. Software wallet. So, click mo yan. And then, eto na. So, hindi ka mag-create ng new wallet. It's up to you. Kung gusto mong separate account with Polcash, it's up to you. Pwede ka mag-create ng new wallet. Pero, kinopya natin yung private key. 'Di ba? So, ito yung pipiliin natin. Ngayon, kung alam mo yung seed phrase mo, okay? Pwede rin yun. So, ito na lang ang i-click mo yung by mnemonic phrase. Since ang kinuha ko is private key, ito yung isa-select natin. Okay? So, i-enter mo daw ulit yung password. Alright. So, ipapaste na natin dito ngayon yung private key. Okay? Kung seed phrase naman sa'yo ang pinili mo, yung mnemonic phrase yung pinili mo, i-paste mo din dyan. Okay? Tapos sa network, select natin yung Polygon. Ayan. Polygon network na siya, guys. And then, name your wallet. So, papangalanan ko lang siya na Polcash. Okay? And after that, click na natin yung import wallet. Alright. So, ayan, guys. Ito na, na-setup na natin. So, ito yung Polygon balance ko. Meron siyang 6 Pol token na available. So, next is, punta na tayo sa browser. But before that, kunin muna natin yung referral link. Okay? And then nga pala, we need to turn on the VPN. So, open natin yung VPN na di-download. Okay? Ayan. Click next. Click mo yung accept. And then install VPN profile. Okay, click mo lang yung allow. And then password. Okay. Allow notification. Sige lang. So, ayan na. So, ganun lang kasimple dito kay Warp. Very user-friendly lang siya. So, meron lang siyang malaking button dyan. Pag kinlik mo yan, pag tinaggle on mo yan, mag-automatic connect na siya. So, ang dali lang gamitin ni Warp. Tapos, free. Okay? So, once na nakita mo na connected na siya, okay, pwede ka nang bumalik sa SafePal, but make sure na nakopy mo na yung referral link. Okay? Ng Polcash. So, kunin natin yung referral link ni Polcash. Andito siya sa Team Baby Snow Official. And browse up lang natin. So, ito, Polcash registration link. Copy yan. And then, let's go back to SafePal. Ayun. So, dito ngayon guys, sa Explore. Yan. Click mo yung Explore. Okay. And then, ito guys, meron ditong confirmation. Sabi niya, I know how to use dApps very well. So, para hindi ka na niya turuan pa ng kung ano-ano. So, click mo na lang yan. And then, View Dapp Store. Okay? Then, dito sa browser, i-paste na natin yung kinapi natin na referral link. Okay? And then, may nakalagay pala na Ethereum. I-click mo lang yan, yung icon ng Ethereum. And then, iselect mo yung Polygon. Okay? So, ayan, Polygon na siya. And then, may Go dito. So, select mo yung Go. Tapos, meron siyang security warning. I-click mo lang yan. And then, confirm. Okay? So, we're opening the website na ni Polcash. So, ito na guys. So, ngayon, i-click mo lang yung Connect Wallet. And then, since hindi nakalagay dito yung SafePal, piliin mo yung Wallet Connect para lumabas lahat ng option. And then, makikita mo na si SafePal dyan. So, click mo yung SafePal. Okay. Click mo lang yung Agree. Yun. And then, so after that, browse down mo na siya. And then, i-type mo na yung amount ng Matic or Pol na i-invest mo. So, I will invest 6. Okay? And then, after that, click na natin yung stake. Alright. So, ngayon, click mo yung, yung confirm. Alright? Okay. It's working, guys. It's really working. Ayun, investment successful. So, ayun guys, ito yung effective way. So, tingnan natin yung balance, nag-zero na siya. So, ibig sabihin, pumasok na siya guys. Okay? Ayan, meron na tayo dito sa My Stats pag binrouse mo siya pataas. Ayan, meron na tayong investment na 6 and nagra-run na yung earnings natin. So, ganun kasimple guys. Ito yung pinaka-effective way to register your account sa mga nandyan sa Pinas. Okay, wala tayong babayaran na VPN. Free lang siya. And then, SafePal. Kasi siguro yung ating mga MetaMask, ayan, Trust Wallet, medyo congested na siya. Okay? So, dito, bagong-bago lang. Actually, it's my first time to use SafePal. Pero, isa ring magandang wallet yan. So, at least, alam natin yung Polcash natin is nasa SafePal, di ba? So, that's it, guys. And then, ito yung referral link. Pwede mong i-copy. Okay? So, yun. Pwede mo na-explore yung account mo. So, that's it, guys. Congratulations. And congrats sa ating mga Team Pinas. Hurry up guys, napakaganda ni Polcash. Sobrang laki nung pwede nating ma-earn dito. At yung compounding na very effective talaga is mai-apply natin dito kasi super mura lang ng gas fees. And napakamura ni Paul ngayon guys. Pwede kayong mag-invest ng malaki-laki, 'di ba? So kung magkano yung kaya nyo, as much as you can. Alam naman nating safe na safe ito. So, it's up to you, okay? And, yeah, that's it, guys. And if you have any more questions, make sure to join our Telegram channel and reach out to me, guys. I will try my best to reply to you as soon as I can. And, yeah, let's go and make more Pol token. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye.